What the does that mean? Philosophy definitions. Metaphysics. Meta describes a subject in a way that transcends its original limits, considering the subject itself as an object of reflection. The word metaphysics is derived from a collective title of the 14 books by Aristotle that we currently think of as making up Aristotle's Metaphysics. Aristotle himself did not know the word. He had 4 names for the branch of the philosophy that is the subject matter of metaphysics: first philosophy, first science, wisdom, and theology. Side note, metaphysics is hard to define in a way that a consensus of philosophers will agree. In fact, philosophers are born to disagree. That's what makes philosophy so interesting yet tiresome, paradoxically. Philosophers live to argue, and so a philosopher is going to philosophize, i.e., disagree. My definition, which I believe sums it up in the simplest way possible. A metaphysical explanation is any explanation or hypothesis that attempts to explain the existence of the physical evidence itself and or the implications or meaning of the results of a scientific experiment utilizing physical evidence. For example, theist and non-theist scientists alike can agree that there are finely tuned cosmological constants. When the theist gives an explanation or inference suggesting that God explains why there are finely tuned cosmological constants, they are giving a metaphysical explanation. Similarly, if the non-theist gives an explanation or inference of a multiverse hypothesis to explain the finely tuned cosmological constants, they are also giving a metaphysical explanation. In both scenarios, they are going beyond the physical evidence, the metaphysical, to explain the existence of the physical. In summary, Aristotle was the father of metaphysics, though the term was foreign to him. Philosophers philosophize. Metaphysical refers to explanations about the physical, such as the meaning, implications, how the physical exists, etc. Philosophers disagree. I'm sure they disagree with this.